Hello, this is Python Statistical, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to cleanse the ASX JSON stock price data. So what do I mean by cleansing your data? Well, it can mean a number of things. It could be you're editing to remove values which are not correct. Or it could be that you need to reformat your data into a form that you expect. So in this example here, the change in percent is appearing as text. So the problem with that is if you try to, say, plot that data item, you will have a problem. But not only that, you've got this percent symbol in there as well, which will cause even more problems. So we need to remove it. Now I've picked Domain Holdings Australia as my example for another reason. If we go to the bottom of the spreadsheet, we see that they have used infinity%. So what's going on there? So we see that the last observation is 16th of November 2017. So if we go to the Australian Stock Exchange information about this company, the official listing date was 16th of November 2017. So I guess what's happened is they divided by 0 when they calculate that percentage change, which is why it's infinity. Or maybe they just set it to infinity to indicate this is when they started listing on the Australian Stock Exchange. So we need to get rid of the percent symbol and the infinity symbol. And one way to do that is to use the strip function. So all we need to do is set the ASX stock price change in percent equal to the dot map lambda x function, which will loop through each row of your data frame, and then the strip function will strip out the percent and infinity. Now, the thing about the strip function, it strips characters from either end of your string, so at the beginning or at the end. This is the reason why we had to use the replace function, because that string, the / was actually in the middle of the string. So the only way to get rid of that was to use the replace function rather than the strip. So let's run this program. And then we'll take a look at the result. So I've just opened up the Domain Holdings Australia, and we can see that the percent symbol is now gone. If we go to the bottom where the infinity symbol was, that's also gone as well. So now we have our change in percent as an actual number that we can plot. Now this brings us to the end of this video. In the next video, we're going to plot multiple stocks on the same graph, and we'll see what happens. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give it a thumbs down. If you really like it, please subscribe to Python Statistical. Thank you for watching.